Hello, network engineers. So today we're going to talk about the IBGP. So in the last video, we talked about the eBGP. Today we're going to talk about the IBGP. IBGP stands for the internal BGP. Name suggests that it's an internal. The meaning of internal means what? It's the same autonomous system number, same company we can call it. So when you're going to form the neighborship within the same company, within the same autonomous system number, that concept is called the IBGP neighborship. For example, you and me, we both belong to the same company, right? And if we're gonna form the neighborship, right, because we are both belong to the same autonomous system number, that's called the IBGP. But assume it, I'm in the part of the one company, you are the part of the different company. If we're gonna make this neighborship, that's called the eBGP. So understand this example. I have a router one, right? And router number two also we have it, right? And think about this is the interface. We have a 0/0. This is the interface 0/0. This is the 12.1 and this is the 12.2. What I can do that, I'll put this guy into the one single autonomous system number, right? I can call this guy the AS number 100. Now, do not worry about that. What is the AS number? We'll make a separate video on the AS number. So assume it they are belong to the same AS number. So in that case, what happened? If the 12.1 is going to form the neighborship with the 12.2, right? This call as a IBGP direct neighborship. Same way, what happened? I have a one loop back over here is a 1.1.1.1 and I have a loop back 2.2.2.2 over here, right? If I'm going to form the neighborship between this loop back to this loop back, right? This is called the indirect IBGP neighborship because it's a part of the different broadcast domain, or we can call it the multi-hop IBGP neighborship. But between the 12.1 and 12.2, they are the part of the same broadcast domain. We can call this as a direct IBGP neighborship. We can also call it the internal BGP as well. Now, another thing, let's say example, we have a route over here, right? I have a route 11.0.0.0/8. If the router 1 is going to advertise this route through the update packet, right? What router 2 will do? That router 2 will receive this route. They will put this route in the routing table as a 8200. So 8200 is going to represent that it's a IBGP. 8020 is going to represent that it's a eBGP. Thank you so much.